Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make dashi braised cabbage and corn. It's so easy. You just need to put everything in the pot and braise. But the dashi brings out the sweetness of the cabbage and it's really good. My children can't stop eating it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this dashi braised cabbage and corn, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Cabbage, I'm using half of this today. 1 or 2 canned corn depending on the size. 1 tablespoon each of dashi, instant Japanese soup stock and soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of salt. Let's cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. I'm using half of this, so let's cut it into half. Remove the core. And into bite-sized pieces. Put it in the pot. Canned corn, water and everything. One tablespoon of dashi, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt. You don't need to add any water. You're cooking it with the water of the canned corn and the water of the cabbage itself. So put the lid on and just braise it over low heat. Braise for 50 minutes, so let's check how it's doing. Looks like it's half cooked. So cabbage is wilted, but it's not completely cooked. So give it a mix and keep braising. I braised it for another 10 minutes and the cabbage is completely cooked. A lot of water came out from the cabbage and it's almost like a soup. Turn the heat off and it's done. And dashi braised cabbage and corn is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The sweetness of the cabbage is concentrated and it's so well balanced with the saltiness of the soy sauce. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Dashi braised cabbage and corn is the side, so it goes here. Some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. Because the side is so easy and healthy, how about terimayo karaage don here, which will also cover the main. Onion miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.